me at the light.
Huh? I turn on the light so that I can see that. Look at that, guys. Yan yung ano, yung hangin. The wind blowing. It's too hard.
Get outside.
Ayan, oh, galing dyan yung hangin. Kasi yan yung west. Wow, ang lakas. Para akong lilipa rin sa hangin.
No cloud.
No clouds, it's clear. It's 4:40 in the morning. Magigisnan mo talaga yung ano, guys, yung ano ng hangin. Grabe. You don't have your shirt, Mahal. Piece of tree. Branch of tree. Yan.
Free.
Oo, yan na naman. Umiikot yung ano. Oh, lakas. Oh, wow. Ano yung dahon? Yung isa, lumabas talaga. Kaya lumabas na lang ako. Sa may pintuan lang sana dapat ako. Mahal. I guess we need to get inside. You want to feel the breeze. It's nice. It's cool. Sarap yung hangin. You want to stay here outside? What? There's no light?
Look, all the lights, see? All the lamps.
Oh. So we're the only one has light here. Because all their lights outside is off. Ah, their line is off. Just like before. We don't have power. And this side has a power. Yeah. Good thing we don't lose power. Tingnan mo yung clouds na yan, oh, ang bilis na tumakbo. That clouds are fast passing.
I didn't know it was that strong. I never heard the wind that when I was thinking. There's the sound.
No, I heard. I can't sleep well because I'm
Listening to the wind?
I'm listening to the wind and also the alert. There is an alert. Oh boy. Gusto na yung hangin. But it's nice outside. But you should have your shirt, mahal. Yun, oh, asan na yung clouds? Ayan na, oh. Yung kanina na nandoon. Yeah, wala palang power yung neighbor namin dito. Yung Jana building. Tsaka doon. Dati doon kami na building. So, ibang linya kasi sila. So, dito meron kami power. Kasi may mga ilaw yun sa labas. Doon, madilim
I don't
yun.
hear the generator over there.
Dito, mga may ilaw yung sa labas. Oo. Yung kaibigan naming pusa. Ano yun? Narinig ko. It's recorded. Mga pusa, you're so lucky mga pusa. There is no heavy rain. Ayan o, ang dami palang mga mga branches na mga putol. Kaya dapat papasok na kami, baka may lilipad na branches. Sanga-sanga ng ayun o, grabe. Sige guys, hanggang dito na lang ang aking video.